Hello, this is Erwin from Multisoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. Do you want to know how you can update or modify the company candidate sponsor page to our latest one? Multisoft has already created an updated version of the company candidate sponsor page. Now, in order for you to see the company candidate sponsor page, what you needed to do is you need to click on the Join Now button, which is the link that redirects a user to the distributor registration form. Now, if the company has enabled the flag for company cannot sponsor, which means the company is not allowed to sponsor a distributor on the system, once this user clicks on Join Now and clicks on Create an Account, then they will be redirected to this particular page wherein they will be asked by the system to provide information of who referred them to the website. They can either enter the sponsor ID, the placement ID, or the sponsor username or site name. Once they have entered any one of this particular information, they can click on the Validate Sponsor link in order to validate the sponsor that they have entered. This is the standard content of the company candidate sponsor page. However, we have already modified and provided an updated version for static so that it will be more pleasant when your user goes to this page. If you want to use the updated version, log in as an admin onto your system. Once you are logged in, then you go under the admin menu, company, modules, alternate module usage settings. On this page, what you just needed to do is you just need to put a check mark or enable the flag on use new company candidate sponsor page. So once you have put a check mark, hit the save button, you should be able to see this particular text, which means that you have already successfully stored the changes that you have made on the website. Last thing you needed to do, hit the sign out button so that you will be signed out as an admin on the website. Go back and click on the Join Now menu. And once you click on Create an Account, as you can see, the system has provided a more pleasant way of getting the information. It's still the same text contents, however it is displayed and the contents have been made more pleasant to the eye so that your users will easily be able to pass and provide the information that we need in order for them to continue their distributor enrollment. Please share this webinar training with your company admin and support team in order to enhance the services provided to our customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. If you have any questions about this or any other trainings, would like to schedule a training with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak with one of Multisoft account executives, please call us at 239-945-6433 or submit the help desk ticket at helpdesk.marketpowerpro.com. Thank you.